Sintx Technologies Incorporated SINT stock has gained 6.93% Wednesday in pre-market trading. That's just the beginning. SINT stock is up much more than 6.93% as of Thursday, March 9th. And we're going to take a look at SINT stock. And more importantly, we're going to go over other stocks that can rally, like Bed Bath & Beyond stock. This is going to be really exciting. We have a lot to show you and share with you, so make sure to watch the video until the end. If you guys haven't already liked the video, make sure to drop a like so you can help traders just like yourself who are struggling to make money in the stock market or bag holding weak stocks like NBOS, and so they can find the stocks that are actually going up. So SINT stock is just one of many stocks that have gone up dramatically in the past few days, but the key is knowing how to predict them, right? Because it doesn't matter if a stock goes up if you can't predict it before it goes up. And that's the importance of this channel. I'm going to show you stocks that will go up before they go up. We actually called out a stock yesterday, UNCY, and that's up 100% from not just yesterday, but 2 days ago when we started covering it on March 9th, 2023. Today, UNCY is officially up 100%. We bought it around $1.25, and it has officially reached $2.25, which is a 90% increase, almost 100%, double your money in 1 day, which marks the 23rd short squeeze that we called out in the past 30 trading days, and that's here only. This is not called out on any other channel. SINT stock went from $2.70 from where it was 2 days ago to $3.67. So if you actually look on the screen here, you can see this up 6.3% that the investor observer was talking about, but that was just the beginning, right? That was just the beginning of what was actually a huge short squeeze on SINT stock. And SINT stock is right here at about $2.90, $3 and some odd cents right now. SINT has a 2.5 million market cap, micro cap, a 6.3 million valuation. This is a small stock. This is a micro cap stock. We can't expect this stock to be as stable as our Amazon or our Microsoft, but we can expect to still make money on this stock if we know how to trade it. In fact, it can actually move more than some of the other stocks. Is it my favorite stock? No. I'm going to tell you some of the stocks that are actually my favorite stocks if you stick around, because I'm really excited to share those with you. So UNCY, again, that's up 100%. If you want stocks like that traded in advance, if you want to know what I'm trading before I actually start trading it, make sure to join the free Discord in the description. We actually had a trader make over $800 yesterday on our stock call out that we called out in the NBOS video. I'll leave a link to the NBOS video. NBOS didn't do so hot. We didn't really think it would, but NBO stock, I want to call that out right now as well. So around 15 cents, NBOS stock is weak. It didn't rally, it actually fell. And so the reason why I cover the stock on the channel is because there's a lot of traders talking about it, and I'm here not just to make you money, but also to stop you from losing money, because a majority of YouTubers out there are paid off by banks. The banks are actually facilitating, okay? They're actually facilitating the transfer of money from you, this is you, to the banks, and this is the banks, okay? And the traders will actually facilitate the transfer of your money to the banks. They are stealing your money by telling you to invest in bad stocks because they are paid off. I am not paid off. I was tried to be paid off. There are many companies who have tried to get me to call out stocks so that they can take your money and steal your money, and I would get paid for that. But there's no way I'm ever going to do that, because I have a responsibility to the traders in my community. I came from poverty myself. I didn't have money. I used to eat cereal out of a paper plate. So if you think I'm going to cause anyone else to lose that kind of money and be put in that kind of situation, you don't know me yet. I'm Coach Coda. I'm your day trading coach, and you're about to make some money if you listen to these call outs. So roughly 2 million shares of SINT were purchased today on March 9th. Okay, that's the facts. SINT and NVOS were both trending up, but as you can see, NVOS stock it actually has a much weaker chart pattern than SINT. So if you look at the NVOS chart pattern, it's extremely similar to the SINT chart pattern. Okay, so let's actually, I'm going to draw it out so that you can see it more visually. So watch how NVOS stock goes up and then it comes down right here, and then it starts to come back up again, and then it goes down. So that's a weaker chart pattern. That's like an M. That's the M chart pattern, and it's a weak chart pattern. And that's why, okay, that's why NVOS stock started to trend down, and it's going down right now. Okay, so this is the M pattern, and it's a fairly weak chart pattern. Now, if you look at SINT, it's actually starting the same way as a NVOS. Okay, so it goes up, but watch, it doesn't go down all the way. You see, it's at the bottom of the M, but it's not as deep. So the M chart pattern is worse when it has a long second leg. We don't have a long second leg here. Instead, we have SINT holding the price level that we want it to hold, and that price level is $3, which means the SINT is about 50% stronger than NVOS stock if you're able to get it for a good price. And what is a good price to me? It's anywhere from $2.70 to $3. Okay, let me actually write that down so that you don't miss it. It's $2.70 to $3. Okay, that's where I would think about buying SINT stock. And you can pay more than that. You can pay like $3.15, $3.20, but I wouldn't pay more than $3.20 for your SINT shares, because SINT, you want to get it for a good price, but you also don't want to overpay. Okay, so make sure that you're getting your SINT for a good price. It is much stronger than NVOS. But the other half of that is you have to make sure that you're also able to sell SINT for a good price. So I'm going to go over some price targets here along with my top stock. So both NVOS and SINT are up 35%, but SINT is stronger. Again, if you want the strongest stock, if you want the stocks that are actually going to rally considerably, if you want stocks that are going to double, then make sure that you join our free Discord community and upgrade your membership to a premium membership so that you can get the short squeezes like UNCY, because I give you stock callouts here. And those stock callouts are amazing, and they make you money, and they've made so many traders money in the past. I called out AMC. I called out Sarah. Most recently, I called out a stock called ARLO. And ARLO is actually up 15% today in a bear market. Okay, that's really important, is that we're having a weak market right now, and our callouts are still printing money. Okay, that's the power of being a part of our Discord, and that's exactly what I want for you, is for you to be able to make money regardless of whether the market is strong or weak. And speaking of weak, Bed Bath & Beyond is extremely weak. I don't know why there's these traders pumping this stock, these traders telling you to buy Bed Bath & Beyond stock at $8, at $10, at $12. It's disgusting. Bed Bath & Beyond is a terrible stock. Yes, it can reverse at some point. Yes, it can have a relief rally, but how far is that relief rally going to go? Probably not higher than 150. Bed Bath & Beyond stock is a hurting stock. It's in a sustained downtrend. I do think it can rally to like 148, but it's risky. It's so risky. This thing can fall all the way down to $1 at some point, and I do think that's going to happen before we get any kind of considerable rally on Bed Bath & Beyond. It's just not the kind of stock you want to be trading, guys. Remember that this stock was at $8, $10 before. If you don't like losing money, you probably don't want to buy Bed Bath & Beyond stock. What would cause you to buy Bed Bath & Beyond stock when there are strong stocks in the market ready to print money for you, like the stock that we traded today, ARLO, like the stock I called out to my pro students, UNCY, up a combined 115% in just today. Okay, that's just today. So I wouldn't buy Bed Bath & Beyond. Instead, I would entreat you, okay? I want you to make money, so I want you to focus on buying strong stocks. Buy strong stocks. Buy stocks that can go up. Buy stocks that will print money for you instead of following these YouTubers that are paid off by the banks, and they're literally paid to take your money and steal your money. So on March 9th, ARLO, our top stock, which we announced in the NVOS video, which you can watch here, actually rallied all the way from $5, where I said that I would be buying the stock, all the way to $6.03, and I actually think it can rally more. But our ARLO was a pro call out. It's a strong stock. This is the example of the kind of stock you want to be trading, especially in a weak market. Look at the market, the SPY index from 400 all the way down to 380, really hurting, right? We don't like bear markets. It makes it hard to make money, but the best of us will still survive. We will still survive. Make sure to join the free Discord, because the pro traders just made $800 today on the callouts in a bear market. Okay, we had Firemedic 51 cleaning house with $895 and counting on ARLO, the top stock call out. And if you are ready to make money, then I will see you in the Discord. But we're not done yet. I still got to give you my top stock, and I still have to go over the SINT chart with you. SINT stock with institutional support at $3 and at $2.80. So that's why my buy-in range, right, where I'm thinking of buying SINT stock, is anywhere from $2.80 to $3. Am I going to focus on a SINT stock? Am I going to buy a lot of SINT stock? Probably not. Actually, definitely not, because I have a lot of other stocks that can rally instead, and it can rally much better than SINT. And because I'm here to make you money, those are the stocks which I'm going to recommend that you actually do trade. Not financial advice. This video is for educational purposes only. But SINT stock, if you can pick it up around $3, can rally to $3.28, $3.42, $3.58, and as high as $3.87. So potentially, if you're able to get a good buy-in price on SINT, then you can make as much as 25% trading SINT stock. Remember, $3.27, that is my sell price. $3.42, that is also my sell price. And if SINT has a nice rally, it can go to $3.87. I don't think SINT will go higher than $5, so that's kind of the ceiling that I'm putting on SINT. It's very unlikely that SINT will go beyond $5 after the terrible news that came out that caused the stock to fall from around $8 all the way to around $3. So we definitely want to be conservative with our price targets on SINT, but even if we get 20 or 15%, that's still an excellent rally on the stock, and that's $1,500 profit if we're just trading with $10,000, which is not too bad, right? $1,500 for one day. So we also have, now it's the moment of truth, we also have, okay, and I'm not going to give you amazing stocks each and every day. I can't, because I have a responsibility to save the absolute best trades for the pro community. But okay, I care about you guys, and I want you guys to make money too, even if you're not part of the pro community yet. So I'm going to give you my top stock for tomorrow. That stock is a stock called LUNR stock. So LUNR stock, I was buying this stock at around $14, okay? So $14 buy-in on LUNR. And again, if you see the stock holding around $14, that could be a good trade for you. So the stock already went from $14 and it's currently at about $17. So that's already up $3 per share. I announced this to the pro community around $16. So they're already up $1 per share. It hit the first profit target, this LUNR stock, and I think that's only the beginning, really. I can see LUNR taking off even more from here. My other sell targets are $17.85, $19.25, and if LUNR really takes off, it can go as high as $24.49, but remember, that's not as likely. We're looking at probabilities here, and in terms of probabilities, this $18 price target, this has a 70% chance of being hit, and we have the next profit target is only a 50% chance of being hit at $19.25, and then the wild price target, that only has a 10% chance of being hit, and that's if it goes to $24.90. So LUNR stock, even if it only comes to that next profit target, is fantastic because we're looking at a 15 to 25% increase, which is $2,500 profit on $10,000. And that's how me and you and everyone in our community makes money, by buying low and selling high for the strongest stocks in the stock market. Thank you guys so much for joining me on this breakdown of SINT stock and my top stock. Okay, my top stock, LUNR, watch it. Try to get it around $14 if you can. And if you want to sell it where I'm selling it, then sell it before it comes to $18, and then maybe save some of your position for if it rallies to $20 or $25. See you guys in the next video. Have a fantastic day. If you're ready to make money, then I'll see you guys in the Discord, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay, see you guys later.
Are you still bag holding that meme stock? Waiting to break even? Have you lost too much money to sell? Stop trusting bad traders. You need Coach Koda, the essential stock trading coach. He's helped hundreds of traders just like you go from losing money in the stock market to placing successful trades. No more bag holding. If you have seen Coach's channel, you know how consistent he is at finding the rare trading opportunities before they happen. If you had Coach Koda by your side from day one, would you have lost your hard-earned money in the stock market? When you become a pro member, you get immediate access to Coach's exclusive trades every trading day. Rocket Trading Pro is so much more than trading signals. You get access to Coach's tight-knit inner circle. Imagine trading alongside a stock market genius. You will know when Coach is buying or selling a stock in his private Discord. You don't have to feel the fear and uncertainty of trading alone anymore. Coach will guide you every step of the way. While we can't promise you will make $1 million your first day, if you follow instructions, you will notice yourself winning more and more of your trades. Pro members are already earning with Rocket Trader Pro right now. Imagine yourself about to place a trade after losing $2,000 on your first trade and $4,000 on the stock Teddy Zane swore would go to the moon. A little scary, right? Now imagine Coach showing you exactly where he is buying or selling a stock while reassuring you of your probabilities of success. He has been trusted by hundreds of new and experienced traders for over 10 years, but you watch his channel. You already know how devoted Coach is to your success. How much money will you lose without your coach? You know you need this. Join now and make the greatest trade of your life.
You've worked with traders in the past who promised the world but gave you nothing. Is it time to work with someone with a consistent track record for success? You know there are cheaper trading memberships out there. But this is your money we are talking about. What is the use of paying less if you don't get the result you want?